Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you guys how to install a 2-inch flush mount ceiling fixture, and all you need is just a tape, Phillips screwdriver and a flathead. Okay, so in this video you will see how I install the bracket and how I install the light fixture to the bracket and then add the final piece to the flush mount. Right, so before before you do any of these steps, ensure that you tape the light switch so that no one else can turn it on, or to be on the safer side, turn off the breaker box. Just turn the breaker box off completely before doing any of these steps. Okay. Okay, so here you will see a black and a white wire along with the grounds. Basically, you just need to match the wires to the ones that are in the ceiling, and then you either use the tape or the electric screw. You will see further along in the video what I used and what I did. So basically, you just match black to black and white to white, and you will see the grounds, which is copper. That's the copper wire, the grounds that I'm connecting now. You want to connect that first because it can also be a support to help keep the fixture up in place so it doesn't fall. So I'm gonna connect that one first, and then I connect the white and the black. So that's the what I use to screw to keep each wires together. Also, after you connected all the wires together, whatever cards that's left, you can push it up. You can push it up in the hole in the ceiling so that it doesn't bulge out or in the way of the fixture going up. So you can just push all the wires up, and then so that way it flush against the ceiling. There's no gap, there's no space. Okay, so after you've installed the light fixture, then you're gonna put the cover. You're gonna attach the cover to it, and that's it. You've successfully installed the light fixture. Continue watching the rest of the video, and I'll show you how I uninstall the whole light fixture and show you how to install again. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Have a great day.